Hi! Welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to turn on and off speak hints in voiceover on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start! Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and find the accessibility, then tap. Then after that, in the accessibility, go to vision section and then tap the voiceover. Then in the voiceover, scroll down and find the verbosity, then tap again. Then in the verbosity section, find the speak hints, and as you will see, there's a switch button located on the side of it. Then all you have to do is just tap it to enable until it becomes green. And if you want to disable or turn off, just tap again the switch button. And that's it. We have successfully turned on and off speak hints and voiceover on iPhone X. If you have a question, can I comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!